How to update Office 365 on Windows 10. To update Office 365 on Windows 10, follow these steps. 1. Open any Office application such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. 2. Click on the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. 3. Click on Account or Office Account, depending on your version of Office. 4. Click on Update Options and then select Update Now. 5. The update process will start and it may take several minutes to complete. Alternatively, you can also update Office 365 through the Microsoft Store. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Microsoft Store app on your Windows 10 computer. 2. Click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner and select Downloads and Updates. 3. Click on Get Updates and the Microsoft Store will check for any available updates for Office 365. 4. If there are updates available, click on the Update All button. 5. The update process will start and it may take several minutes to complete. Once the update process is complete, you will have the latest version of Office 365 on your Windows 10 computer. What to do if Office 365 update not working? If Office 365 update is not working on your Windows 10 computer, you can try. 1. Check your internet connection, make sure that you have a stable internet connection as the update process requires internet connectivity. 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, restarting your computer can fix issues with the update process. After restarting, try updating Office 365 again. 3. Clear the Office cache. Clearing the Office cache can sometimes resolve issues with the update process. To do this, follow these steps. A. Close all Office applications. B. Press the Windows key plus R, type %localapp.a%\Microsoft\Office/16.0, and press Enter. C. Delete all the contents in the 16.0 folder. D. Restart your computer and try updating Office 365 again. 4. Use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. Microsoft has a tool called the Support and Recovery Assistant that can help diagnose and fix issues with Office 365. You can download it from the Microsoft website and follow the on-screen instructions to use it. 5. Uninstall and reinstall Office 365. If none of the above methods work, you may need to uninstall and reinstall Office 365. To do this, go to Settings, Apps and Features and find Microsoft Office 365. Click on Uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the uninstallation is complete, go to your Microsoft account and download and install the latest version of Office 365. If you continue to experience issues with the update process, you may want to contact Microsoft Support for further assistance.